Hi and welcome to today's video. We will be working on how to use quizzes, Wayground. Now it was formerly quizzes, but right now it is Wayground. So we'll be working on how to use it to create assessments, interactive assessments for your learners in a digital platform. You can, if you are a school that makes use of interactive and digital platforms for your work, if you are an online tutor or a teacher, if you guys have access to using digital technology classes and you want to set up an assessment for your learners, this is a simple way to do it. There are many tools you can go on to do that, but today we are simply going to be using Wayground. Okay, formerly it was quizzes, but today it is called Wayground. Now to do so, just log into your Google Chrome or whichever browser you use and type in this word. As you can see here, just wayground.com, and you are right here. So over here, when you are in the front page, you have to sign in if you are not signed in, so as to have access to the materials you have already created before now. Okay, so go on to tap on create. Okay, you have to be connected to the internet, and when you tap on create, tap on assessment. Now in assessment, there are three ways you can do that. When you want to create this activity, you can go with import worksheets or questions. You can generate with AI, or you can create from scratch. Okay, so today we are going to work on how to do that with AI. Okay, so in our next videos we'll be working on how to work with how to create your assessments by importing the worksheet, and in our other video we are going to do this too. So today we are looking at generate with AI. So you just click on it and go over to test prompts. Okay, so it will this is what you have here: enter quiz topic or paste content to use to generate with AI. Now when you're done typing the prompts and what you want, select questions, number of questions, and if you don't do that, it will just go with automatic. Okay, so I have selected the number of questions. Then make this your subject, select subject, and the grade level. I already said grade. Okay, let me just put it there still. And then when you are done, go on to tap on document. Okay, now if you have you can go on to select the standard document. If you have a document you want to use and generate the assessment with, if you have a website stuff or YouTube video you want to use, you can go ahead and do it. But here, just the way I did this, then you follow the on-screen instructions you're seeing over here, and you are good. So hit the continue button. Okay, just to be sure it has this. So select up to 10 subtopics, identify what classes we are going to be selecting. Okay, I'm just going to select the use correct sentence. Okay, so you're good, you generate. Okay, mastering English language skills, 20 questions, 20 points, 10 minutes already there with the correct answers there as well. So what are you going to do next? Here we are now, so let's check through and see if there are questions that need corrections. Okay, if there are none, then you are good. Cross check, identify independent clause. When the sun sets, move. Okay, so you're going to cross check, and when you are done, go ahead and hit the publish button. Here you can preview your quiz. When you preview, this is how it's going to be. When you preview, it's going to look like this. So go ahead and which part of speech is the word quickly? You tap adverb. So that is it. Okay, this is the participant's view. That is how it's going to look like there. Okay, so when you're done, just hit publish, and you are good. What you're going to do is just to share the link. Share the link to the assessment, or there are many ways they can use screenshotting or barcode or whatever. Look at where you just go to share or assign. You can, if it's in a physical classroom, you can print this as a worksheet and make use of it. Okay, you can save this, you can assign, and you can also start now. Okay, so here is assign. When you assign, it's going to bring out the you can use any of these methods depending. If the child you are going to work with is someone that can access it with the link, fine. If they cannot, then use the start now button. Okay, so whichever one works, just know how to navigate around. It's very simple, it's not difficult. Your learners should know how to. It's simple to work around. It's not difficult. Okay, just know how the kind of learner you have, and try this out before you start up with them. Okay, I don't want this video to be lengthy. When we start this quiz with my learner, I'm going to make a video on that, and I will share it. Okay, thank you so much for being here with us. I'll see you in my next video. Go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support us. Share this video to other people. Like and comment on the video to make the YouTube algorithm to push out this video to other teachers who might find it helpful. Okay, thank you so much. If you have any concern or any topic you want us to put up there on how to work around it, just drop it in the comment, and we will attend to you. Thank you so much.